Analyzing with Déjà Vu. Here is my project. Before starting the translation, I'd like to know how many words are to be translated. To do so, I go into the Tools Analysis menu. Déjà Vu proposes a series of options. Languages. Do you want to analyze only the current language of the project, or all the languages identified during the creation of the project? Files. Do I want to analyze only the current file, or all the files together, or each file separately with a summary of all the files? Word count. I can ask Déjà Vu to analyze with its own algorithm or use an algorithm that is close to Microsoft Word's. Translation memories. You can choose to use the translation memories specified when the translation project was created, or you can use some of those translation memories, or you can use none of them at all. Additional options. You can choose additional options, which I will explain later. To analyze the project, click on the Analyze button. Here is my analysis for French. I can view all the specifications I have selected for the analysis. If I want to view the analysis of the German, all I have to do is select German in the drop-down menu. Since I selected each file in the File options, I will first see an analysis of all files of the translation project. I can then view a file-by-file analysis. By clicking the Copy button, I can copy the analysis to paste it on an email, for example. I can now save my analysis in several formats: HTML, CSV, and TXT. I will save it here in HTML format. The file displays like this. First with the German, and below you will find the French analysis. Saving the file in CSV format allows me not only to view the analysis, but also to use it. You can use the CSV format analysis to generate your quotes, POs, and invoices. To do so, type in the formula in Excel and select the appropriate currency. Additional options. In your analysis, you can decide to include locked segments. Intra-project analysis. When you select this option, Déjà Vu will reconsider some of the no matches. Back to the project. The project is composed of 5 sentences. The first one, as you can see, has already been translated in the past and is a 100% match of 3 words. Then I have the sentence, "I drive a nice blue car," that has never been translated, but appears twice in my document, and the same sentence with black instead of blue. Let's now compare the two analyses, with and without selecting the intra-project analysis option. The number of words remains the same, 27 in both cases. The number of duplicates, the repeated sentence, remains the same. The 3 words of the first sentence are an exact match. The difference is that in no match, instead of having 12 words, "I drive a nice blue car" and "I drive a nice black car," the first occurrence only appears once for "I drive a nice blue car," 6 words, and the other sentence, "I drive a nice black car," becomes a fuzzy because there is just 1 word difference. Déjà Vu does not only use the translation memory for fuzzy matches, but also for internal segments. Selecting the Inter-Project Analysis option enables you to consider as already in the translation memory a project that has not yet been sent to the translation memory. Click on the Add button, Select the project you want to consider as added to the translation memory, and then analyze. The selected file only contains one sentence that occurs twice, and that also occurs in my current project. When comparing the analyses with and without inter-project analysis, I can see that the 12 words here have disappeared because they are counted differently. They are either translated or in fuzzy matches. For more e-learning modules, visit the Atril website.